Hello everyone, welcome once again with your boy CoinVestor. I hope you're doing well. So let's get to it like really fast, right? I'm gonna make really short video, so bear with me. So what did I do this past 2 weeks, 3 weeks? I did sell a little bit of Tattooed Chef. I sold when I had 600 shares of Tattooed Chef, and as you can see here, I had 600, then now it's 400. So I sold a little bit more than half. I sold like 330 shares, and I bought more on the way down. So I sold when it was here like at 21 something dollars, and I bought back at 1920, like this. I bought back here. I'm 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 probably gonna buy more, but not now, not at this price. If it touches, or if it's almost $16, then I'm gonna buy more at that price. So that's what I did. Of course I made like, I don't know, 10,000 norsk kroner, which is, I don't know, $1,200, $1,100, something like that profit. And I'll be happy to buy more at this price, like lower than these prices, sorry. Second one I did is Palantir. I had 600 shares in Palantir. Now if you see it, I have 400 again. What did I do? I sold Palantir when it was 29 here. I sold at $29 Palantir. Oh, sorry. So I sold at $29, and I bought again at 23, 24 here. And I made as well, I made like at 10,000, I think, kroner, which is $1,200 on that level. So I bought in again, and of course I'm gonna, now it's up pre-market 6.7%. I'm gonna talk about this in a second, but yeah. So I bought more, and if it drops to, I was waiting for it to drop to $21. If it drops to $21, I'm gonna probably buy more. So let's get to the why Palantir is up 6.7%. It's because of a contract. You see, Palantir stock is surging on a big army contract win. So let's see, Palantir stock is surging on a big army contract win. So the stock is trading sharply higher after the software company said it won the vast majority of an 823 million program to provide data and analytics software to the army. Of course, we know, like, if the army give you a contract, people, why it's trading now higher, because people don't think about this one as much as more in the years to come, which means like when the army provide you with a contract, it's gonna be they're gonna probably stick with you for some time, because then you have, like, there is a lot involved there. So they're gonna probably have more contracts or renew more contracts in the future. So that's probably why it's up. And at one time yesterday it was up, I think 14% or something, 15%. Now it's a little bit down, 6.7%. It might even go lower because the market is down. When you see the Nasdaq futures here, the market is down 1.2%, Dow almost 1%, and S&P 500 1.1%. So don't be surprised if it's down more. But these stocks, I'm kind of trading them late now because I do love Palantir, I do love Tattoo Chef, but I feel like they are not, they still are not like understandable when it comes to the bigger dogs. They don't understand Palantir and Tattoo Chef good. So it's gonna be a lot of volatility when it comes to these stocks. So what I do, I'm trading it now, and I'm happy to buy at 23 even, like if I wanted to now. So what's another stock that I bought lately? Of Corsair Gaming. Look here, I bought 6. This is the market value. I bought like 20,000 kroner. I'm down here, I'm down almost on everything. Tesla, I'm up 68%. Yeah. So let's get to Corsair Gaming. Corsair Gaming, I'm looking at the stock. I'm like, first of all, why the fuck it is like it's just going down? It doesn't matter if the market up or down. The Corsair is down. It's gonna be down. It's gonna be a meme in itself, like the Corsair going down. But why? I think there is my sole reason I feel like now there is not much attention to the Corsair gaming because they have been publicly traded just for lately, last year, and they haven't they haven't how do you say it? They haven't proven themselves just yet for hedge funds. I mean, for me, I know the gaming industry. I know like there is a lot to gain from here, so that's why I'm putting more money. So I bought $20,000 worth of this stock. That makes it my second biggest position after Tesla, and I would be happy to buy more. If I only had money, I would be happy to buy more. It's trading at a PE ratio of 16. It has like PE ratio of 16. It has a forward PE of 13.4. They make 2 billion. The market cap is 2.4 billion, so it's really cheap, and they're gonna make like 2 billion this year. Why wouldn't you buy the stock? I mean, of course, everyone has his own. This is not financial advice, so do your own diligence, decide for yourself. But for me, I feel like this is an undervalued, the most undervalued stock I have ever seen. Because everything is up, but small caps, and especially this one, it's a small cap, but it's an undervalued small cap, which you don't see that often. At 16 ratio and a 4P of 13, I mean, I would be happy to buy more. If people have been like, haven't you seen like the biggest streamers there is now? Like, let's talk about Tim the Tatman. Contracts that he signed with the YouTube. He had like a deal with AT&T. Deals just like left and right, and it's millions of dollars. Nick Merckx, he just, I think, renewed his contract with Twitch. Maybe the biggest deal of his life. Nick Merckx just made a barbecue for the M-Fam or his followers or his subscribers. I think he spent $500,000 in that barbecue. It was in the stadium. 10,000 people were inside the stadium. Imagine that. 10,000 people were inside the stadium, and 3,000 or 6,000 were waiting outside to get in. Boomers, they don't understand this shit because they don't see this shit. They watch only their kids playing maybe Fortnite and they think like, oh, this is it. They don't see a future. But when they do, and when Corsair delivers in terms of streaming, in terms of products and stuff like that, then the upside is huge. So that's why I'm actively buying, and I'm gonna buy more if need be. So this is it for today, guys. I hope you like it. I hope you're doing well. Invest safe, please. Don't listen to anyone when it comes to investing. Do your own diligence. Look at stock. Look at the growth rate. Look at the market, like the TAM, total addressable market. See if there is growth in that stock. If you like it, buy it. If you don't, just stay away from it. Hope you're doing well. Thank you for joining me today, and see you next time. Bye bye.